Decomposing numbers level 2. Decomposing is just a fancy word for breaking numbers apart. In school, a number like 16 would be broken down using expanded notation. Let's take a look at how that looks. 16 is written as 10 plus 6 using expanded notation. You will notice that the number 10 is one of the easy counting numbers listed above. However, this 6 is not. Let's see how 16 will be decomposed using easy counting numbers. Here we see 16 broken down into easy counting numbers, 10, 5, and 1. When you add up those numbers, you get 16. The thing about easy counting numbers, it will allow you to do so many things easier, whether it be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, percents. So we want students to be able to decompose numbers into easy counting numbers. We have the number 26 now, and we want to decompose it into easy counting numbers. If you notice, the first number or the first digit we want to decompose is the 2, which is in the tens place. If you look at the tens numbers that are in the easy counting category, will be the 10, the 20, and the 50. So go ahead and try to decompose 26 into easy counting numbers. The first number is 20. Because in the tens place, 20 is the number that will allow us to build 26 because we have two tens. Now that we dealt with the tens, we go to the ones, and 6 is broken down as 5 plus 1. So 26 is the same thing as 20 plus 5 plus 1, and all of these numbers are easy counting numbers. For this number, 38, go ahead and stop the video and see if you can decompose it into easy counting numbers. You will notice that from now on, I'm going to be breaking the numbers down, decomposing them in a straight line. It will help me later on when I'm doing multiplication and division. And 38 was broken down, decomposed into 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. Did you use the same decomposing numbers, the easy counting numbers that I use? Now try the number 79. See if you can decompose it into the easy counting numbers that add up to 79. As you can see, it took 5 easy counting numbers to add up to 79. 50, 20, 5, 2, and 2. Did yours match mine? With this one, 396, go ahead and pause the video and begin by decomposing the largest place value, the 3, the 300s. What are the two easy counting numbers that add up to 300? The two easy counting numbers that add up to 300 are 200 and 100. Now that we have the 300s, we move to the tens place and we have 9 tens. What are the easy counting numbers that add up to 90? As you can see, 50, 20, and 20 are the three easy counting numbers that add up to 90. Now, lastly, we move to the ones place. What are the two easy counting numbers that add up to 6? 5 and 1. So 396 is made out of 7 easy counting numbers: 200, 100, 50, 20, 20, 5, and 1. How did you do? For the last problem, 765, you're going to go ahead and pause the video and see if you can decompose the entire number and how does it match with what I do. As you can see, there are 5 easy counting numbers that add up to 765, 500 plus 200 plus 50 plus 10 and plus 5. This video is going to end with a video challenge. In a moment, there are going to be 3 numbers flash on the screen. You're going to try to decompose those 3 numbers as fast as you can, and I will be doing the same thing live on screen. Later, you're going to compare how much time I took compared to how much time you took. Your goal is to try to see if you can come close to my time. Have a paper and pencil ready? Ready? Set? and go. How did you do against my time? I hope you found this video useful. Look for more of our videos on any one of these sites.